Hey dear students, today we are going to do reported speech. Reported speech. Now as the name suggests, you report something to someone. For example, I said something and you report my statement to someone else. There are two ways of reporting. One is direct, the other one is indirect. The direct one is using the exact words I did, and indirect way is as I'm going to tell you here. So in this topic we learn how to change the direct speech or direct narration into indirect narration. So let me write an example for you and I'll tell you how and what it is about. He said, I want it. For example, you see, he said, I want it, and it was yesterday when he said this to me and you were not there, and I'm reporting his statement to you. So this is the direct narration. He said, I want it. See guys, I put his statement in the inverted commas, by which I mean that I here refers to himself, not to me. He said, I want it. He said what? He wanted it. Let's see. He said, if you want, you can use the connector that. He said that. Now, I refers to whom? It's he. It's not I, Pankaj, who said this. It's my friend, someone else who said that. So, and I want to make an indirect speech of what he said. So I will write what? He said that he, not I here refers to him. So he. And now always remember, see this one, this is called reporting verb and this is called reported verb. I repeat myself. This is called reporting verb and this is called reported verb. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the reported verb also has to be in the past tense. Clear? Remember, second form, second form, second form, second form. Clear? Second, second. So we'll write he. What is the second form of want? Wanted. He said that he wanted what? Now, see, he wanted it. It can always remain it, but it can also be changed into that. Clear? For example, this will be changed into that because the time is that of past. It is not right now. The thing is not in front of me. For example, there was sitting an apple there was sitting an apple on the on the table at that time, and he said, "I want it." He wanted the apple. That one. There isn't any apple right now on my table, so I can't use the word this. He said that he wanted what? It or that, because it means this as well as that. Clear? I give you another example. Seema said, I have had lunch. Seema what? Said, and this is, as remember, reporting verb. Seema said, and this is the statement, so the connector. Whenever there is a statement in the inverted commas, the connector would be that. He said that, sorry, Seema said that, it's not he, Seema said that. Now, I refers to whom? It's not about me, it's about Seema. Seema said, it's not I, it's not me or I eating lunch. No, no, no. It's Seema and about Seema eating lunch. Seema said that what? I refers to Seema. And so she. Seema said that she. Now what? Second form here, second form here. Past tense here, past tense here. Clear? Here it is past tense, so here it has to be past tense. The reporting verb is in the past, so reported verb has to be in the past. So have had. Now see, present perfect is changed into past perfect. Had had. Seema said that she had had what? Lunch. And in report and in the and in indirect speech we change. In indirect speech we remove all the inverted commas. Clear? We remove commas, inverted commas, etc. We just keep a full stop at the end. That's it. So I show you another example. Rahul said to me, I'm doing good. Now, Rahul said to me, said to is changed into told if there is a statement. Here is a statement, so we'll change it into told. Rahul told me. Now, because it is a statement, the connector would be that. And you can sometimes omit that. Rahul told me that. Now, I refers to Rahul. That he. Now, see the reporting verb is in the past tense. So here this reported verb will be in the past tense too. What is the past form of is MR? Was verb. So Rahul told me that he was doing good. Clear? Rahul told me that he was doing good. Another example. Alka said to Seema, I don't like it. Alka, what? This is a statement, so said to will be changed into told. Clear? Alka told whom? Seema. And because this is a statement, the connector would be that. Alka told Seema that. Now I refers to Alka, and so it would be she. Alka told Seema that she. Now look at this tense. It is second form, so here it has to change. So does not or do not. What is the second form of do not? Did not. Alka told Seema that she did not like it or that. Got this, guys? This is pretty easy. Well, guys, before I proceed, I just want to make a list of which tense is changed into what. Clear? So let me do it very fast, and it will be highly helpful, greatly helpful to you. So, simple present tense is changed into simple past. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present perfect is changed into past perfect. Present perfect continuous is changed into present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Clear? The next one. Simple past is changed into past perfect most of the times. Past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. The next one. But guys, there will be no change in past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. They will remain the same. No change in past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. They will remain the same. Clear? Now, wait a minute. It was changed in tenses. Now, there are a number of things changed while changing the direct into indirect speech. I'm gonna have to make the list of them also for you to learn. So just wait for a second, and I'll make the list for you to understand everything clearly. Now, change in the modals. It was about tenses. Now, change in the modals. Change in the modals. For example, you see, can would become could, may would become might, will, would, shall, should, and You see, would, should, could, might, and ought to. Same. No change at all. Clear? The next one is, and what happens in this one? Must can remain must or can be changed into had to. It depends on the sentence, and I'll explain it then and there. Clear? Now, I would also like to make a list of change of situations or change in situations. We have to change the situations also because you see something happened in the past and right now I'm here. I'm not in the place where it happened or where I was talking to someone. So when I want to report his statement or his things, whatever he said to you, I had to change the situation also. Clear? For example, that person said, I do not like this place, and I would say, that person said that he did not like that place because I'm not right now in that place, I'm away from that place. He did not like that place. This would be changed into that there, as we did change in some of the sentences above just a while back. So I want to make a list of that so as to help you better before we proceed. And the list is as follows: change of situations. This would go, this would be changed into that. These would be changed into those. Last week would become the previous week. Here would become there. Now, then. Today would be changed into that day. Yesterday would become the day before or the previous day. The previous day. Tomorrow would become the next day, the coming day, or the following day. The next, coming, or the following day. Next month would become the following month or the coming month. Finally, ago will be changed into before. Do you know why this is so? Because the simple past tense will be changed into past perfect tense. There will be two ships in the past of the past. So there you would be using before and not ago. You'll just learn that, don't worry, you'll just learn that. It was just an introduction and I just showed a few sentences and you see practice practice is crucial to grammar. If you practice, that is, you're gonna learn. If you don't practice, no teacher in the world can teach you anything. Practice alone can teach you. Practice as much as you can because grammar is something practical. Clear? Even though you may know all the rules yet you'll make mistakes. Do you know why? Because you never practice it. Once you practice, you'll be very good at that, man. Very good. Yes. Do practice. Clear? You see, tenses are changed, but like the simple present is changed into past simple and all that. But there are some exceptions to that. Exceptions to the rule of change in tenses. Exceptions to the rules of change in what? Tenses. First of all, the first thing to learn in this is, you change the tense in the report. You change the tense of the reported verb only if the reporting verb is in the past tense. You remember what is the reporting verb? He said to me, I said to you. Now, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then you change the tense of the reported verb. If the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the future or in the simple future, you don't have to change the tense of the reported verb too. For example, if I say he says to me he likes it. Now, he says to me, says to will be changed into tells. He tells me, but here this tense is simple present. So here, the simple present tense will not be changed into simple past. The first form will not be changed into second form because the reporting verb is in the simple present tense. He tells me that he likes it. Got this? This was one rule. Now, she will say, I will kill you. Let's change this. She will say, for she will say that now here we do not have a second form, so here we do not change it. Here it is simple future, so here also it will remain as it is. Clear? We change the tense of the reported verb, means the verb this one. We change the tense of the reported verb only if the reporting verb means this one is in the past tense. As you see in the sentence, in the first sentence and in this second sentence, the reporting verbs are in the simple present and in the simple future respectively. So we do not change the tense of the reported verb, means the tense of the verb inside the inverted commas. She will say that she what will kill you. Clear? We also do not change the tense when there is a universal truth said. For example, my teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. You see here, the reporting verb is in the past tense. So as a rule, we should be changing the tense of the reported verb also. But there is a problem. The earth revolves around the sun is a universal truth. And you can't change the tense of the universal truth because the earth has, the earth just revolves around the sun. You'd never hear the earth yesterday was revolving around the sun, but today it is stopped and tomorrow it will start back. No, you will not hear that, will you? The earth revolves around the sun means just revolves around the sun. It cannot change tense. Clear? The earth revolves around the sun. So my teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. I want to show you one more example. He said the sun rises in the east. Now the reporting verb is in the past tense, but we can still not change the tense of the reported verb. For the simple reason, the sun rises in the east is a universal truth. Cannot be changed. You would never hear yesterday the sun rose in the east, but today it rose in the west. No. You'd never hear that. Or you'd never hear the sun will rise in the west tomorrow. No. The sun has always risen in the east. It always does. It always will. So he said the sun rises in the east is a universal truth. So we'll not change the tense of the reported verb even though the tense of the reporting verb is past. So I write it as it is. He said that the sun what? Rises in the where? East. The sun rises in the east. Did you get me, guys? I hope you did. I'll just make a few sentences for you guys right away. Just a few of them. Examples. She said to me, we will have supper late today. What shall I do? She told me that we will be changed into they, that they and will, because here the reporting verb is in the past tense, so the past form of will is would. She told me that they would have supper late when. See, it is in the past and we change the tense here also, so today will be changed into according to the list. It will be changed into that day. She told me that they would have supper late when? That day. Clear? I'll show you another example. Rahul said to them, you guys may be arrested. So Rahul warned them or even told them that you guys would be changed into just they, because you guys is something when you talk directly, but in indirect speech the word guys will not be used. Rahul warned or told them that they, you would be changed into they, that they may will be changed into might. Clear, as the reporting verb is in the past, so may will be changed into past. That they might what? Be arrested.